Fine dining is best accompanied by fine beverages, especially on a luxury cruise. On Crystal Serenity, there are numerous options to choose from, and today I'm meeting with Ross Martin, and together we're looking for a new Caipirinha to feature in Churrascaria. Ross and I will be visiting 5 bars where 5 bartenders will present their own twists on the Caipirinha, the national cocktail of Brazil. We'll sample each one and decide which we feel will be a best fit. By day, it's marketplace. By night, the space transforms into a Churrascaria, Serenity's Brazilian-themed steakhouse. Leather-clad gauchos host your meal, offering succulent cuts of meat, perfectly cooked. Evenings sizzle at this authentic restaurant, and we believe the new Caipirinha we choose will be a great addition to the menu. A great way to jumpstart the day could be with something effervescent or light, and it's also the first stop of our journey. This is the Crystal Cove.
This is the Crystal Cove, John. So this is our daytime lobby bar.
Yeah.
Very popular for Bloody Marys, also for mimosas in the morning. It's a nice meeting place, you know, it's right in the center of the ship. Popular place to be.
I like the coziness and the window light. What are we looking for with a Caipirinha?
In the original Caipirinha, it's lime, it's sugar, and the cachaça itself, which is made from sugarcane. But with the new Churrascaria, we were looking for some different flavors as opposed to the classical. The classical is always available, but we thought we'd add something a little bit different into the mix as well. This one's a Caipirinha de uva. We make it with different kind of grapes. And it blends very nicely because, you know, the Caipirinha is essentially sweet and sour. You've got your sugar, you have your lime, and this is an accent you're going to add with the grapes. So
What flavors are we looking for?
You've got that basis of the sweet and the sour, so you're looking for something to accent it, a little twist in that traditional flavor. So this one's been around for quite a few years, actually very popular in Brazil itself.
We head up to the Lido Deck with the sun beaming down and the waves as your backdrop. A soak in the pool is best done with a refreshing drink in hand, and you can get one at the Trident Bar. This is a nice bar.
Yeah, this is the Tron bar, John. So this is essentially our pool bar. Outside we have the pool deck area. So this is Edwin. He's going to be making us today a wild berry Caipirinha. So he's mixing some different berries. And this will, again, same as we did earlier, this will highlight a lot of the flavors which are there in the Caipirinha itself.
Wild berry Caipirinha.
So look at the color. So this is coming out of the raspberries, the blueberries, blackberries, all fresh ingredients.
That smells phenomenal. The raspberry, you can smell it.
Beautiful, huh?
A great way to spend the afternoon or evening is near the bow, where you can lounge amidst lovely views in the palm court.
This is the palm court, John. This is a great place to sit and watch the world go by, enjoy a nice gin and tonic, or maybe one of our homemade cocktails such as a Karma Chameleon. But today, Carlos has prepared for us our pineapple and mint Caipirinha.
Pineapple and mint.
This one you're going to love, John.
You got that nice floral note from the mint and that tropical feeling from the pineapple.
I think this is one of my favorites.
This is one of your favorites?
I think so, yeah.
Time to head down to the Tiffany Deck, where many of the evening's events and dining happen. Late night smooth music and a refined, sophisticated look. This is the Avenue Saloon. Just next to it is the Connoisseur Club, where you can indulge in some top shelf liquor and cigars. This is a stunning bar.
This is the Avenue, John. This is our late night piano bar. Great place to come in for your favorite cocktails before dinner, your martini, your Manhattans. But today we're here for Caipirinha, as you know. This is Jose. Today he's going to make the Caipirinha La Araña, which is with orange and cinnamon.
Cinnamon? I've never had cinnamon in a cocktail, and the orange works so well with the lime.
They balance very well.
Close by is another late spot, Pulse, looking for a more energetic and vibrant way to finish the evening. Here's a place with a contemporary feel, delicious drinks, and modern music to dance to.
This is Pulse, John. This is our nightclub. This venue is popular for karaoke, for of course late night dancing, and many great cocktails. So tonight Avzal has made for us a Caipirinha with passion fruit.
I can smell the passion fruit.
Yeah, you know, you've got the tartness in there, so you're lifting up lots of different flavors out of the cachaça. However, we're going to do a little bit different this time. We've made this with a non-alcoholic liquor called Seedlip. So it's for those who want to have a cocktail without the alcohol. We can do pretty much anything now.
This looks beautiful. We've sampled 5 delicious caipirinhas.
Yeah.
Very hard to really choose a winner. The first bar we went to was the Cove.
Yeah, we tried the Caipirinha de Uva. That was the different flavored grapes. It's in a nice colour. You like the colour of this
I did.
one,
I thought it had a nice blush colour to it. The second one.
Now this was the big flavour. This was the wild berry.
That one was fantastic.
But maybe a little bit too overpowering to match with your food. So
I would agree.
I think, you know, we moved on a little bit. We saw Carlos, and I think this was a big contender. We had the pineapple and the mint, fresh, citrusy, zesty.
That was delicious as well.
Now we can't forget the non-alcoholic. Avzal made this beautiful non-alcoholic drink.
Yeah.
Now we use Seedlip in here. This is the world's first non-alcoholic liquor.
The passion
Beautiful
fruit.
passion fruit.
The way it come through, and he sliced it in half, and you could
The
smell
smell
it.
when you picked it up.
That was beautiful.
But you know, I think the orange, the cinnamon, laranja,
Phenomenal.
Caipirinha laranja. I think
That
this
was the one.
This was the one which will match and complement everything we serve up here in Churrascaria, and I think we should give Jose a shout and bring him up here for tonight's drinks.
I think it's a great idea.
Yeah?
He's got a fabulous smile.
Let's do it, John.
Cheers, mate. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
After sampling various twists on the Caipirinha, you might decide that one is your favorite. If you want one with dinner, you can always have it at Churrascaria, Serenity's Brazilian-themed steakhouse. Whichever cocktail you like the most, you can find it on Crystal Serenity, where luxury is personal.